The Greek guy, Spiros, the Greek police. I still have all of their phone numbers from when they questioned me.
You wouldn't.
I would. But I won't if you leave town now, alone.
There are a few things I could hold over your head from that trip.
Hello! So, I'm back home right now kasi meron akong 3 hours na break time. It's 9:45 right now. And our class na may last lecture was supposed to end at 10. Kaso, wala si Doc. Maybe there's an emergency sa hospital and you know, that needed his attention. But yeah, nag-decide na lang muna kami ng mga kaklase ko na umuwi. And I think I'd like to explain muna ng konti about the structure of my class today. So, I have clinical diagnosis today, as you can see kanina. And clinical diagnosis, divided siya into 3 subjects. So, the first one is internal medicine or IM, pathology, patho, and then radiology. And today, dapat meron kaming 2 lecture with IM and isang lecture with patho. Yung unang-una, nakapag-lecture ako sa IM. Yun unang narinig nyo na clip. And then, second, yun yung nagbigay na lang si Doc ng PowerPoint and video lecture. Tapos, itong third, dapat mag-lecture si Doc. Kaso, hindi na siya nakapasok. Tapos, usually, gano'n ang structure ng CD namin. 3 subject talaga sila, composed into 1 big subject. So anyway, magnanap muna ako. And then later, I will go back to school kasi meron akong lab and then meron akong behavioral science. Makaagahan ko kasi mag-lunch ko ni Barbs. But, ayun, I'll just take you guys with me today. Medyo nahihiya pa ako kasi I have a new set of classmates. But, some of them know na I vlog. So, I just have to ease myself into it again. But I will show you guys as much as I can with the first feedback. Ayun lang. So, late ako nag-isip. Anyway, kapunta na ako sa school kasi may class ako ng 1 and it's 12:45 right now. Magsistraight pa ng buhok. Marami akong time. Pero anyway, okay, I'll bring you guys with me.
I know!
Ano? Fresh.
Hi guys!
Hello! Wow! Yung Bini?
Nakatago, huwag mo na sabihin. Bye bye!
Dito kayo na.
Oh, ano mo?
Uy, thank you so much!
Medyo mainit pa kasi kagagamit ko lang.
Yeah.
Kasi nalipot ako yung plan ko.
Lab na namin. This is Iza.
Wala yung bangs ko. Hindi mo nakikita. Tinago ko siya.
Tinago talaga niya yung bangs niya eh. Grabe ka naman.
Ancellostone na duodenale.
Hindi mo talaga pag stellar.
Okay. Yun ang tinanda. Si Bangs Girl. Bangs Girl kasi tawag sa kanya.
Ay, oh. Lucky charm.
Oh my God, thank you! Saan maghintay ka, pupunta ako ng Binanza.
Ayun.
Hala, ang cute!
Yeah, tig-isa tayo kasi bigyan ko lang si Barbs.
Over.
Oh, diba?
Sabi ko na kaya pala wala akong laman ng kahit ano sa kamay. Parang may something.
Holding space for something.
Thank you so much! The Clover.
Oh, wow. Ganun.
We are live here sa Paso Lab. And today, meron kaming si Bilek kasama mga klasiko. And kaka-start lang ng ng second sem. Tapos, ayun, nakakanto kasi wala pang tulog. Pero ito mga tulog, galing bakasyon. Ito, nagpakulay ng buhok, galing ng concert. Ay, ito ba rin may-ari ng DJI? Osmo Pocket 3. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Kay Audrey. Say hi. Say hi, Galu. Alright. Meron tayong foundation week next week and let's get it on. Let's start at the second sem with a bang.
Our president. Our Barbie president.
The Barbie girl.
Ano ang confusion? Meron ba?
First thing na daw. Wala nga, sabi na sa sino nag-message sa atin?
This is also dark during the lab and practicals. Okay, so let's start. Laboratory orientation, a PDF copy will be given or will be posted in the Moodle. So for now, I'm still working on the Moodle, so watch that. Positives or false negatives? A sensitive test has a lot of false positives.
May pipirmahan ka pa dyan. Oo. Nantayin namin si Barbs. Matagal pa siya. PDF pala yung inaaral. Meron kaming orientation later at 4. Pero, mamaya pa naman yun. Mabahinga ko. Ano pa lang naman? 2:30. Di pa tapos ni Barb. So, pwede matapos na mas marami.
So, ayun guys. Kakain daw kami saan?
Jiangnan!
Sobrang random ng Jiangnan girl. Yun, Jiangnan. Sabi, may chinichismis to. Hindi ko na narinig. Hindi mo narinig. Kaya na lumalabas na naman ang aking bangs. May white option ba to? Like,
Wala. Ay, may lens siya, pero hindi ko dala.
Yun yung white option mo.
Yung white option ko pag ayusin mo kapag yan, napagsakto.
Pag nanakaw yan, girl. Kaya pala siya may ganito. Oh! Sumusunod siya. So, this is... Saan tayo pupunta? Bakit tayo
This is Merida. Sa McDo
Merida.
Merida.
I am the firstborn descendant of the clan Benoit. And I'm choosing... Oh, hell!
So Merida mo, girl.
It's Merida. The Merida. The Merida. Not the Beanie, the Merida. The Merida, the warrior. Not the Beanie, ang puta. Not the Beanie. Di ba ikaw yung nagkikrip ng tao?
Cake.
Tofu.
Yuba.
Ingrid din. You want?
Sige, kahit ano. Hindi ko alam. Basta alam ko lang yuba.
Yung kabila. Plus yan. Ikaw yung Chinese dito. Hindi siya nabasabi.
Uy! Paano timplad do you
Nalagyan
mean?
ko siya ng inan. Pero tikman ko muna natin yung original. Kukuha.
Hi! So, I'm home na. Papahinga na ako. Kasi, sobrang busog. And, malalobat na rin yung kampo. Napapati ko naman tingnan. Anyway, malalobat na yung kampo. Papahinga na ako. Kasi 7 AM ulit kami bukas. And OB yun. Yeah. See you later.
Same is true for Pasubi at the end. So let's start by viewing, not really discussing, because some of these you already know.
Patient that you're examining so that they was diagnosed to have myocardial infarction. And 2 days after the myocardial infarction, patient had side questions also here. Which among the expected complications of myocardial infarction lead to the development of hemorrhage? So which part of the wall that the fireplace is shown of the paper. So nasa left side, the hemorrhage constantly. Of course, because the left right, ito yung nakikita niya.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
Meron ba tayong malalaman natin kung siya rin may PWD?
We can gather disability data